I just took the course Fusion 360 for Makers from Bob at I Like to Make Stuff, and I created this custom cylinder that I needed for a project. Then I brought the file, the STL, into Bambu Lab Slicer, and the only thing I really did was I added support, and I just went with the default. But all the other settings, it just like automatically determines what it needs to be. So I went with defaults. All right, this is my first design, and something has gone awry. Not sure what, but something has definitely gone awry. All right, this is my first design, designed in Fusion 360. Compliments of Bob at I Like to Make Stuff. How do I get all this stuff off of here? I don't have any of those fancy plier things. Oh shoot. Oh, that does come off. This is all support material. Woo! Look at that, and there's some weird support material on the inside. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. All right, drum roll, please. Woo! Oh, look at that. Look at that. Woo! Yes, sir. That is called a lint basket, custom made on Bambu Lab XC1, X1C, whatever.